Good morning, guys. How are you? Happy Friday. Hello, hello. Morning. Excuse me. Yes, I'm here on a Friday. That's weird, right? I told you guys I was gonna be here, and I am here. Most of the time, I say that I'm gonna be here on a Friday, and then I wake up on a Friday and I'm like, yeah, I don't want to trade today. But today I was like, nah, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, what a move overnight. This market is like non-stop. It's a non-stop ripper. It took us, let's see, a bunch of choppiness to go down here. Oh, yeah. And then we're back. Well, we went back to all-time highs in like, I don't know, 10 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like 10 days. And then we have 3 days with new all-time highs. That is insane. Insane. I think the market is gonna pull back to previous all-time highs. Like that's the main level that I wanna trade after breaking to all-time highs. I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but I would love to see that today. So obviously first we need to go back to yesterday's highs. But yeah, why did we? What's this? Like, did we got some news or something? What happened overnight or early morning? Did we got data or something? That was insane. Okay. Okay. So the war, with that open, the straight open, the war is pretty much done. That was so dumb. We had a war for nothing. YM or to Y? Yeah, it makes sense. Most of the time, it's like that. You have SPA and the Q ripping, and then you have YN and RTY after. Oh, it's not really open? Just Trump said it's open, but it's not really open? Okay. It will be very interesting to see we have a, let me show you guys, a big gap here. That gap is gonna get filled. I don't know when, but it's gonna get filled in the future. And I can't wait to buy here. That's what I really, really want to play, but we're very far from it. You want here, here. Yeah, we're we're extremely far from it, but we never know. Like sometimes we have like huge daily bearish candles because of news. So we could go there in one day, maybe 2 days, or maybe it's gonna take like months or years. Who knows? But yeah, this move is 6.68% down. Whenever we get this from here, from the highs, it's almost 7% move. Like yesterday was a green day also. Smaller than the rest of the day, but it was also green. I kind of like this one for a pullback. That reaction, this pattern reaction play, this candle reaction play that I like so much. This one here. But I need to keep in mind that we are on a very, very bullish market. And Enki is looking like it wants to go higher. Yeah, yes, looks like it's reacting here. Enki looks like it wants to go. Nvidia holding the view up. It looks like it wants to go also. QQQ holding the view up. Same thing with SPY. Today is OPEX, right? I think so, yeah. OPEX are tricky days. Oh yeah, we start earnings next week. Yeah, most of the time we have pullbacks before earnings. Right before earnings. But I think the earnings are gonna be really, really good. Not so much, I don't know if the earnings, but I think what old tech companies are doing, laying off people, investing a lot on AI, that's gonna make their company make so much money in the future. So the guidelines on earnings, I think they're gonna be extremely good. What a dump. Nice reaction, but I wanted to play this reaction on ES, looking at these, look at these wicks at the top, but at the same time, I don't like how the candlesticks are moving at the moment. I think we're a little bit choppy, but I definitely think the market should pull back. But I can't trade thinking on what the market should do, because especially if I think it needs a pullback, because again we're being so freaking bullish the past few days that trading against the trend is more tricky than normal. I mean, we saw it yesterday, we got a really nice reaction play, but it didn't last long. I look like a schoolgirl. That's good. Yeah, look at this. It's very choppy right now. This is why I don't like trading Fridays. This is exactly why. I feel like most of the time, Fridays are just very choppy days. And choppy days are more difficult to end the day green. And who wants to end a day red on a Friday? The last day of the week. Yeah. Look at that. This is why it's so scary to short this market. Nvidia waking up, Apple waking up also. It's pretty much buy the dip and forget about it type of market. If this candle has a strong close, we could go for something like this. Same thing here with ES. ES definitely looking stronger now than NQ. Very ugly price action so far. Yeah. I guess before Fridays are like these most of the time. That's why I always take Fridays off. Yeah, try and if I see a little pullback here, I might try a long. Too late. I was too slow for that. No, I don't use TradingView for trading. Only for my charts. Most of the time, I don't put hard stops or my PTs, but because this market is a news-driven market, I am putting stop losses and PTs just in case we have a huge candle because of any news, because I don't want to blow up my account on a news candle. Thank you is stuck here. They had a good future, 2,500 for 50K. They moved to 3K. What's that? The profit target or what? Target, okay. Okay, can NQ break out here? I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try these out. I want to see NQ holding this little level here. Okay. I think we need a different type of music. Yeah, really nice trade. I like this one so far. This is what I want to see. Yep. I'm trading with Tradeofied, and right now has a 40% off promo. Can we have a retest of pre-market highs? So yeah, pretty choppy price action so far today. Yeah, YM's looking pretty bullish. RTY2. Microsoft is weak. Nvidia a little bit weak. Apple is holding pretty good. Let's see what Amazon is doing. It's holding, but it's not doing anything. Meta not doing much, but it's looking kind of bullish, more bullish than bearish. I don't know. I'm not trying to log in on Tradeify right now. And I'm concentrating on my trade right now. I'll check it out after, when I'm done here. Yes, very strong today, making a new highs. Another day, another highs. Yeah. Yeah, thank you is lagging a little bit. Can we have a big push already to pre-market highs? But I understand why. Microsoft is pulling back, Nvidia is kind of stuck, Apple is stuck also. Same thing with Microsoft and Meta. SMH is very strong. Yeah, this market is definitely just buy the dip, set and forget. And we need to keep doing that until it doesn't work. Nice, beautiful. Keep moving higher. Keep going. Don't get greedy. Well, so far I have no reason to get out of this trade. Like, we're making higher highs, higher lows, very clean uptrend. The market is crazy. It's been crazy bullish the past few days. It's Friday. I'm so ready for some margaritas. Yeah, SMH crazy strong. I think that's what it's helping this NQ move, because everything else is stuck. BV speaking. You know what? I'm all out. I like my Friday. I think we can keep going higher, but I'm done. Very nice trade. Happy with my week. I'm done, guys. That was beautiful. Beautiful trade. Yeah, I do think we're gonna keep going higher, but it doesn't matter. I'm all out. Easy, easy. Almost 3,300. Okay. Why you can't log in on Tradeify? So what's the problem that you have? Is this what you're getting? Look at that. Look at that. That's insane. I'm not touching anything. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, I can't. ES entry? What do you mean? It's the same thing as, thank you very much. Pull back here. Well, no, it's stronger, but it's the same. Just pull back to previous resistance. And now you want to see that resistance acting as support. It's always the same. So if you want to play longs here, you can even enter here with a little bit, with small size, and then add more if it goes lower. And then your stop loss will be where your trade is no longer valid, which will be a rejection of pre-market highs. I missed my entry on yes here, this one. I was distracted talking here on the stream, but yeah, I wanted to play this because yes, it was clearly stronger than NQ, but it's okay. It's fine. I guess we got a good exit here. Like I said before, I do think we most likely retest this high, but I don't like the price action today on NQ. So it was better to lock my profits and be out of here. And that's what I'm gonna do. It's Friday, guys. Very, very nice week. Every single day it was green. So I'm super happy with my performance this week. I guess I really needed my 2 weeks off from the markets. It's really paying off. The markets are always gonna be there. And if we're getting a difficult time trading, It's better to just not trade at all. I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you for being here, and please like the video. Please like the video, help me with that, and subscribe. ¿Por qué no hago un live en español? Creo que sí lo voy a hacer. Creo que sí voy a hacer live en español. O hacer un grupo en Discord en español. I'll let you guys know later. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you for being here. Bye.